how to get your Prizepicks account back. What you want to do is just load up the browser on your phone, and here you will Google search for Prizepicks appeal. Click on the first link that pops up, and then from this list here, or from these options, you want to select live support. Just click on live support and then choose chat now. It's going to load up a center here like this, and click the green button below to begin. You want to click on get started. Now from here, it's going to take a little bit of time for the response to pop up, but you want to choose something else. Now after you have chosen something else from these options, because there is no correct option here from the others that are being displayed, so you just want to choose something else, you need to contact live support to help you resolve this issue. Would you like to connect with a representative now? You want to click on yes, please connect me now, and you will explain that you would like to appeal your account suspension or whatever the reason may be for you losing your account, and then support should help you resolve the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.